How to install Directv Stream on Samsung TV. So to install the Directv Stream app on your Samsung TV, the first thing that you'll need to do is to check compatibility. Before you begin the installation process, go ahead and check whether your Samsung TV is compatible with the Directv Stream app. Designed between 2018 and 2022, Samsung Smart TVs will operate with the Directv Stream. This includes models from Samsung flagship 4K and 8K, including QLED, Crystal UHD, the Frame, and the Sheriff. Be aware that Directv Stream app is incompatible should your Samsung TV be older than 2018 models. You'd have to research using a streaming device or upgrading to a more modern Samsung TV. So first, go ahead and install the Directv Stream app. With your device ready, it's time to download and install the Directv Stream application. So on your TV's homepage, tap on the apps option, search for the Directv Stream, choose the Directv Stream icon, select the option labeled install to download the given application. Wait for the app to download and complete the installation process. Once set up, the vivid blue TV Directv Stream icon is prepared to be launched when you go to the home screen or application library of your Samsung television. So open the newly installed Directv Stream application. On the sign-in page, it will tell you to turn on your device. So open your preferred web browser and type in the URL on your computer or mobile device to activate it. Sign in with your Directv Stream account. Please input the alphanumeric code displayed on your television and click on Activate. Finally, enter your Directv Stream username and password on your Samsung TV to complete the sign-in process. And that is how to install Directv Stream on Samsung TV.